Alright, so block 5, again, I've just moved it. Don't need to see that. We're going to sketch and we're on top. So you can have this pre-drawn and dropped in, but where the purpose of doing this is to get used to Fusion 360. So draw ourselves a rectangle. We're at 180 by 42. Finish that sketch. We'll extrude from the top 42. Make sure it's that orthographic view so you can see, and you can see what you're doing. So that's where we're going to start. Now if we open up our drawings and have a look for, there we are, 5. Alright, where do you want to start? So we've got the top view. So we know that from the top there's going to be a 21 deep by 42 across, and from the edge it's going to be 48. So let's start there. So we're going to sketch from the top, and we're going to have one of our smaller rectangles. So dimension, that is 42. Width of that is 21. And from the edge, it is 48. It's already there. Finish sketch. Orthographic projection. Just check with our drawing, and it's going to cut straight down. And we're going to extrude. Someone should have seen something. I'm still drawing block 4, which is why that's highlighted. So what I would get a student to do, you can even watch me here, we're going to go all the way back, Control Z, and get to here, click on the top, and create a new component. Hopefully someone picked that up as well. So that is block 5. So no point deleting this from the video. You can see that not uncommon to be silly and make mistakes, but it doesn't add that much time. So we'll just quickly get this part done again. Here we go. Alright, so that's our first step there. If we go across, we've now drawn that top view with just that notch taken out. And now that is, if you can look at it, at that orthographic projection, we've now just got to do one more cutout, and that is from the front view, another 42 by 21 that goes the whole way through. Now with this, because we're actually going to be drawing this on 2 different faces, I'm going to draw it as 2 21 by 21 squares, and I'll show you what I mean by that. So we're going to grab this, and I'm going to start sketching here. Now I'm in this top corner, and I'm just going to drag that down. May have done it exactly as I wanted. 21, wonderful, by not quite 21. There we go. Now we're going to finish this sketch, and that I'm going to extrude the full distance. So we'll select it and we'll minus, we're not sketching, sorry, extrude, select that, minus 42. And now we're going to sketch on that little face. So you can mark this out from the back if we wanted to, but because we're doing it all from here, when you're cutting this out of timber, you will probably do it a little bit differently. You wouldn't cut to 21 by 21 squares. You can just mark it out on that other side. So the height of that is 21. Wonderful. Orthographic, isometric, sorry. Push pull. Good old SketchUp phrases. Minus 21. And we have now got that piece. All you need to do is chamfer those edges.